In this guide, I'm going to show you how to set up your PS5 Pro for the first time. So once you've plugged everything in, you're going to be greeted by this really cool screen that you'll only ever see once the first time you turn on your PS5. So when it turns on, it's going to ask you to plug in your USB-C cable into your controller and in the front of your PS5 Pro. So go ahead and do that and press the PlayStation button, and then it's going to ask you to select your language and set up an internet connection. Now I recommend you do that, and then you're going to adjust your display area using the D-pad on your controller, as well as adjusting the HDR if you have it on your TV or monitor. Now once you've completed this process, it's going to bring you to this next section where you want to select your power option for rest mode. Me personally, I recommend you select Optimized Experience and go to OK, and then you want to agree to the license for software and confirm. Now it's going to ask you to update your system software. If you've connected to the internet, you can go through this process, and your console will turn on and off a couple times before you get to this page where you'll be able to update your DualSense wireless controller device software as well. Then it's going to ask you to sign into your PSN account, so you can scan that QR code or sign in manually in the bottom left or create a new account if you don't have one. Now you can set up a passcode for PSN login. I'm just going to leave that turned off. It's also going to ask if you want to turn on console sharing and offline play. If you already have your PSN set up with a different PS5, you are going to have to turn it off on the other console first. And it's going to ask you as well if you want to transfer data from your other console, but I'm just going to skip that step, and it'll say welcome to PlayStation 5, and you'll be brought to the home menu, and you're now set up, ready to use your PS5 Pro.